Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Tinder account without phone number. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a Tinder account without phone number, first tap open your Tinder application. From the first interface of Tinder, you'll be able to see three options. Unfortunately, I'll have to tell you that you can't create an account on Tinder without a phone number. You can use either of the options beside the login with phone number option in order to sign up, but entering a phone number is compulsory on Tinder. Apart from signing up with a phone number on Tinder, you can also sign up using the Google account or your Facebook account. If you tap on either of the options, you'll need to choose an account for yourself. The first thing it will ask you is to enter your phone number. If you don't have a phone number, then you can get a new phone number online to receive SMS without a phone. With the help of a phone number that you've received from the online, you can easily create a Tinder account. Type in your phone number and tap continue. Wait for the verification code that has sent to your mobile number. Once you receive the code, tap continue and finish the rest of the process in order to create an account. After you've finished all the process, you'll be able to sign up to your Tinder account, but you have to have a phone number in order to create a Tinder account. Otherwise, you won't be able to do so. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.